Welcome back to our Pitcheer's YouTube channel. Today I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being with us during all this year. I started this channel a little bit more than a year ago and it has been amazing. Today I just want to share a few videos that we have been doing during the last year. I hope you enjoy it and all the best for 2022. Hola! Hola! Today, hola! 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 Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed.
I think you need to have a lot of passion about this area, right? Because the reality is that probably you learn at university, but you probably learn more every day being outside of university on your day-by-day work, right? So you need to have that passion to educate yourself about like the new technologies, what it's being used, what is not being used anymore.
Then once you have been studying, and probably at the same time that you are studying, you will have to practice a lot. You will have to practice a lot of projects. You will have to do a lot of projects, be able to solve the same problem in different ways, study which are all the different ways you can solve a problem. Again, there's a lot of information in the internet. You don't have to solve something with a new way of solving it if it already exists. That's why what I'm trying to say here is that you'll have to spend a lot of hours training, doing your own projects and talking to people to see if you are doing it in the best possible way. So at the end of the day, that's how you become a software engineer. Theory, it's very easy. Practice is very hard.
Maybe some companies, they are looking for experts on this or that, but a lot of companies, they are just looking for knowledge. Same thing with programming languages. What I see, in my experience when I'm doing interviews and everything, what I really care and what also I see around me is they want talent. They want people who understand, people who can solve problems. So it's not about the one programming language or the one cloud provider.
And they care more about you being able to solve the problem than the actual language that you're using. I think that we from Latin America, we have this characteristic, like we are very malleable in terms that we are very resilient and we learn fast and we try to be on top of things. So that's a big plus for companies here. But sometimes that give us that extra thing that you might not be great with the language, but you have that makes all the difference. And
know how to use your tools, know how to use your IDE. You need to see, because for example, you are allowed in our interviews, you are allowed to Google whatever you want, but I'm gonna see how you Google. I'm gonna see how do you scan, how do you read the pages? Do you copy paste from Stack Overflow? Well, I don't like that. Or do you see the solution, you understand the solution, and then you implement your own solution? Do you find documentation on the web? How do you read those pages? Are you familiar with those pages? All that, it's a bit subjective, but all that information gives me, okay, how good coder you are. Are you a really coder?
And there are three things that you can do in order to take the most advantage of this situation. Number one is excel your communication skills in English. Number two is make sure that you have a solid technical knowledge. And number three, make sure you're aware of what are the best practices around the world, specifically when it comes to software development.
I think that, we're super lucky to be in an area that everything can be studied online. So just don't give up. If you actually want to go to a company like this, it's gonna be difficult, but it's not gonna be impossible.
So definitely pay a lot of attention if you're learning software development, software engineering, and you're in the early stages of learning. Make sure and ask yourself, is this my passion? Is this something I'm really curious? I'm really trying to find all the different possible ways to solve a problem. I'm really willing to talk to someone else to see how I can solve this problem. If that's not you, really ask this question to yourself and see if you want to spend time on this, because again, it's not easy. Nothing is easy. So if you want to give it a go, 100% give it a go, but ask this question: is this sparking something in you that you really want to go after?